every night. You could be losing muscle in your sleep and not even realize it until it's too late to get your strength back. Most people over 50 are making a critical mistake when it comes to their health, and it's costing them years of mobility and independence. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you can't get out of a chair as easily as you used to. Maybe you notice stairs suddenly feel twice as difficult, or carrying groceries leaves your arms trembling. For millions of adults over 50, this gradual loss of muscle isn't just an inconvenience. It's a warning sign that your body isn't getting what it needs to stay strong. Far too many seniors chalk up these problems to just getting older, when, in reality, something preventable could be happening night after night. Have you ever wondered why some people in their 70s still hike, garden, or play with their grandchildren with ease, while others struggle with the basics of daily life? Could there be missing links in your nightly routine that are silently eating away at your hard-earned muscle? If you've noticed your strength fading, or worry about losing your independence as you age, this video is for you. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's take a closer look at the truth behind overnight muscle loss and the 7 specific vitamins that could change everything for your muscles, especially if you're over 50. I'll guide you step by step, from the most overlooked vitamins to the powerhouse nutrients that recent research points to as potential game changers. To begin, it helps to understand what's happening in your body during sleep. Each night, your muscles go through a repair and rebuilding process that relies heavily on key nutrients. Without enough of these building blocks, you can actually lose muscle even if you eat well or exercise regularly. The shocking part is that research now shows this process isn't just a result of getting older often. It's due to critical vitamin deficiencies that almost no one talks about. In fact, studies suggest that up to 73% of seniors lack at least 5 out of these 7 vital vitamins. This hidden deficiency epidemic is one of the reasons why muscle loss feels so inevitable once you reach your 60s. But you are not powerless. By correcting these specific nutrient gaps, you may be able to not only slow muscle loss but also regain strength, energy, and confidence. Let's walk through each vitamin, counting down from the quiet defenders to the most powerful muscle protectors. These are based on trustworthy research and practical advice for people over 50. Let's start with number 7, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is often called the energy vitamin, but its most important role in seniors might just be protecting your muscles. After age 60, your ability to absorb B12 from food drops dramatically, sometimes by half. This isn't just a minor concern. Without enough B12, your body struggles to create new muscle tissue and repair the tiny tears and strains that naturally happen each day. Harvard researchers looked at over 1,000 seniors and found those low in B12 had almost half the leg strength compared to those with normal levels. Even more alarming, they were 3 times as likely to fall and suffer fractures. So, why is B12 deficiency such a problem after 60? It comes down to stomach acid. As we age, we produce less of it, and that acid is needed to release B12 from foods like meat, fish, or eggs. Weak stomach acid creates a vicious cycle. You might eat foods rich in B12, but your body simply can't access it. What can you do? Taking a sublingual B12 supplement that means letting it dissolve under your tongue before bed is especially effective for seniors. This method allows the vitamin to bypass your struggling digestive system and go directly into your bloodstream. Experts suggest the active form, called methylcobalamin, in a dose between 1,000 and 2,500 micrograms. For those who prefer food sources, a bedtime snack like whole grain crackers with sardines or salmon can make a difference. And even a sprinkle of fortified nutritional yeast can add a boost. Correcting a B12 deficiency has been observed in some studies to improve muscle strength by up to 30% in just 8 weeks. Let's move to number 6, magnesium. Magnesium may not get the headlines that calcium or vitamin D do, but in terms of muscle health, it's an unsung hero, especially for older adults. Around 78% of people over 60 are thought to be low in magnesium, That's a huge number, considering that this mineral is crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation, nerve signaling, and energy production. Without enough magnesium, muscles can't work properly, leading to more aches, cramps, and surprisingly rapid muscle loss. A recent 3-year follow-up of hundreds of seniors published in a well-respected gerontology journal found that those with optimal magnesium levels had nearly 45% better muscle strength and significantly improved balance. The researchers pointed out that magnesium deficiency leads to something called mitochondrial dysfunction. Basically, your muscles' energy factories begin to fail. The best time to top up your magnesium: before bed, when muscles do most of their repair and when magnesium can help trigger restful sleep. But not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Most experts now recommend magnesium glycinate for seniors. This form is easy on the stomach, absorbs well, and comes with an added bonus. The attached glycine boosts recovery and sleep quality. The suggested range is about 400 to 600 milligrams taken 45 minutes before bed. In your kitchen, try evening snacks like a handful of pumpkin seeds loaded with magnesium, a few pieces of dark chocolate at least 70% cacao, or some dried cherries for natural melatonin. Some research shows that correcting magnesium deficiency can cut nighttime muscle cramps by over 80% and boost muscle strength by almost 40% within a few months. Moving now to number 5, vitamin E. Most people think of vitamin E for skin or heart health, but it's also a vital shield for your muscles. Every movement, every breath, even just lying in bed, your muscles are attacked by free radicals, which are tiny molecules that damage cells. This process, called oxidative stress, ramps up with age, quietly eroding muscle from within. Vitamin E helps by neutralizing these free radicals before they can do harm. In a long-term study published in a major nutrition journal, seniors with adequate vitamin E levels lost 52% less muscle mass over 18 months than those who were deficient. What was really striking is that the protection offered by vitamin E was even more important at night. When your body's internal antioxidant defenses naturally drop, that means your muscles are most vulnerable right as they should be recovering. Taking vitamin E in its natural form, D-alpha tocopherol about half an hour before bed and always with a little healthy fat can help absorption. The ideal dose is typically 400 to 800 IU. Good evening food sources include sunflower seeds, almonds, and especially half an avocado on toast with a sprinkle of seeds. A simple snack that can help your muscles recover while you sleep. Number 4, vitamin C. Vitamin C is known as the immune booster, but for older muscles, it's a silent supporter you absolutely need. Your muscles hold together thanks to collagen, and vitamin C is the key ingredient your body uses to make that collagen. Without it, even small daily activities can cause tiny muscle injuries that never fully heal, gradually leading to weakness and wasting. One 2-year study tracked over 600 older adults and found that those with the highest vitamin C levels had 33% more muscle mass than those with the lowest. The researchers directly linked low vitamin C to accelerated muscle loss, that condition called sarcopenia. To keep your muscle scaffolding strong, aim for 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C before bed, preferably with a small amount of fat to help absorption. Easy options include orange slices and almonds, or for an even bigger boost, sliced red bell pepper dipped in hummus. Did you know red bell peppers have 3 times more vitamin C than oranges? If you keep this up nightly, research indicates you may cut your risk of muscle weakness nearly in half. Number 3, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 isn't as famous as B12, but it's every bit as important for muscle preservation. Think of B6 as the conductor, making sure all the enzymes and proteins needed for muscle maintenance play together smoothly. Without enough B6, your body struggles to turn the protein in your diet into strong, functional muscle, no matter how much chicken or tofu you eat. New research from Johns Hopkins published recently showed that seniors with healthy B6 levels had over 40% more lean muscle mass than those with deficiencies. One key reason: B6 is critical for making growth hormone, and most of that hormone is produced at night during deep sleep. This is when the real magic of muscle repair and growth happens. Deficiency in B6 can lower your body's growth hormone by up to 60%, drastically slowing recovery. Many common medications, including some blood pressure and heart medications, make it harder to absorb B6. So even if you're eating well, you might fall short. Look for the pyridoxal 5-phosphate form of B6, which your body can use right away, and consider taking 25 to 50 milligrams about an hour before bed. Easy food choices include a turkey and hummus wrap, or just a couple slices of turkey breast with chickpeas. Research suggests that optimizing B6 levels can speed up muscle recovery after exercise and noticeably cut down on morning stiffness. Number 2 is perhaps the most surprising: vitamin K2. Most people have heard about vitamin K for blood clotting, but K2 is different, and research suggests it could be directly tied to muscle strength and function as you get older. K2's special job is to make sure calcium goes to your bones, not your muscles or arteries. When too much calcium sits in your muscles, it can actually cause them to stiffen and break down faster. In a major Japanese study following nearly 500 seniors over several years, those with high K2 levels maintained 42% more muscle mass and saw dramatically less frailty as they aged. What many people don't realize is that K2 helps vitamin D direct calcium to the right places. Without enough K2, higher vitamin D or calcium intake might actually backfire, making muscles stiffer instead of stronger. Experts recommend the MK7 form of vitamin K2 as best for seniors, ideally 100 to 200 micrograms taken before bed with a source of healthy fat. Food sources of K2 are rare in Western diets. Natto, a strongly flavored Japanese dish, is the best source, but if that's not appealing, aged cheeses like Gouda or Brie and grass-fed butter are good alternatives. Even a couple of whole grain crackers with Gouda can help. Some seniors who've added K2 to their evening routine share stories of feeling more mobile and energetic within just weeks. And that brings us to number 1, vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 may be the single most important vitamin for stopping muscle loss as you get older. It isn't just a vitamin, it acts as a hormone in your body, controlling the switches that tell your muscles to grow, repair, and respond to activity. Sadly, over 80% of people over 65 are low in D3, and this is considered by some experts to be one of the biggest hidden crises in senior health. A recent review of dozens of studies involving more than 12,000 seniors found that those with good vitamin D3 levels had nearly 80% less muscle loss, fewer falls, and much better strength and balance. The reason is simple. D3 turns on muscle protein synthesis and activates receptors throughout your muscle tissue. When you're low in D3, it's like having all the building blocks for a new house but no foreman to organize the crew. D3 is best taken in the cholecalciferol form. D2 is far less effective. For most older adults, a dose of 4,000 to 6,000 IU daily is recommended. And if you're severely deficient, some doctors may suggest even more under close supervision for a short time. Because D3 is fat-soluble, always take it with your main meal or a bedtime snack containing healthy fat. Salmon, mackerel, or even eggs can help, but most people will need a supplement. Some people find that combining D3 with a spoonful of coconut oil or avocado boosts absorption, and they notice increased energy and better balance within a month. Now, before you rush to load up on all 7 of these vitamins, it's vital to know that you could be wasting most of your supplements if you miss 5 important absorption secrets that have come to light only recently. Here's what current research is showing. First, the fat pairing rule. If you take vitamins D3, K2, E, or even vitamin A without enough healthy fat around 15 grams, or about a tablespoon of olive oil or half an avocado, your body simply can't absorb them fully. Most people don't realize that a little fat isn't enough for seniors who want maximum benefit. Without proper fat, you lose out on up to 70% of these nutrients. Second, there's the separation protocol. Minerals like magnesium and calcium, or zinc and copper, compete in your gut and can cancel each other out if taken together. For best results, take magnesium at night with your bedtime vitamins and save calcium for the morning. Keep your B vitamins bunched together, but take them well separated from fat-soluble vitamins. Third, the sublingual secret. Whenever possible, choose supplements that dissolve under your tongue. Sublingual forms of B12, D3, and B6 can boost absorption to over 90% compared to as little as 20% from typical tablets. Let them sit under your tongue for at least 90 seconds to let the blood vessels absorb the nutrients directly into your system. Fourth, try the powder conversion method. Crushing tablets or choosing powders rather than hard pills can make a big difference. Mixing powder with warm water and a squeeze of lemon creates a more acidic environment like younger stomachs have, helping seniors who often lack stomach acid. This simple technique can sometimes nearly double absorption compared to swallowing pills whole. And finally, the chelated advantage. Always opt for chelated minerals when possible. These 8-ending forms, like magnesium glycinate or iron bisglycinate, are bound to amino acids and are up to 4 times more absorbable than standard minerals. They might cost a bit more up front, but your body will actually use most of the dose. To put it all together, getting enough of these 7 vitamins B12, magnesium, E, C, B6, K2, and D3 especially before bed may help your muscles recover, rebuild, and stay strong as you age. By understanding and applying these new absorption strategies, you won't just be taking vitamins, you'll be giving your body the real help it needs at the time it needs it most. Nighttime is when your body works hardest to heal itself, and without these key nutrients, that work can never be finished. If you've tried any of these nutrients before or have noticed changes in your strength and energy, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. And if you're just beginning to think about adding them to your nightly routine, let us know your questions. We're here to support you every step of the way. For more science-backed advice on healthy aging, strength, and independence, make sure to subscribe and check out our next video. Your best years can still be ahead sometimes. All it takes is knowing what to put on your nightstand tonight.